welcome to Heider Hall. I'm Chinelo, and this is my roommate,
Makayla.
And we're going to take you on a tour around the whole room. Once you come in here, it's like a mini hallway. And then we have our winter stuff in here with like shoes. We have an extra storage unit where we store like our vacuums and stuff like that in here. And then I'll take you into the bathroom. We have extra storage in here for like toiletries. We have our little shower caddies, and we have a mirror which also doubles as perfume spot and deodorant spot. We also have extra space in here, so we keep extra toiletries in here, and then we keep our everyday wears like our jeans, shoes, laundry baskets in here.
This is my side of the room. I kind of just decorated it with different decorations to give the room life. We added a couple lights.
So the school gave us like drawers to use. The white one I brought just for extra things like bags, hats, stuff like that. And then it comes with 3 like drawers. The school also gave us the couch and the table. We got the carpet ourselves. We also have 2 desks. So that's hers, this is mine. Like a little study nook. We have the kitchen. So we got the fridge from the school, and we have extra space for coffee. We have our coffee machines and our cups. We have drawers for our forks, knives, all that. We have our pots in here, and then we have the oven. We cook, so I do a lot of cooking, so this was very, very good for me. The school also gave us the microwave. We have the sink, everything. It's like a mini apartment. And then we have a balcony. But yeah, thank you for coming to see our room. We hope to see you on campus next year. Bye.
Bye, thank you.